Today, we're going to be making an espresso martini from home. So everyone's had a martini at the bar and it's perfect. Well, they're using espresso. You're trying to make it at home with some drip coffee and it's never going to be the same. So if you want to make them at home, you're going to need an Nespresso machine. So I use the Nespresso espresso pods and man, they turn out great. So let's get started. First off, remember temperature is everything. So put your cup or your coupe on ice and have it just chilling. So put that to the side. I've already got my shaker with some ice in it, and an espresso martini, not that many ingredients, easy to make as long as you have the espresso. So that's what you start with. You start with a shot of espresso, add it to your shaker. You're going to start with, I'm using 2% milk. You can use half and half. It makes it a little bit creamier, or you could even add in a little splash of coffee creamer that you have at home. So you're going to add in 3/4 of an ounce. You don't need that much. Then you're going to need some Kalhua. Kalhua has that coffee taste already. It sweetens up the drink a little bit. So you're going to want to do another 3/4 of an ounce Kalhua. And then don't forget your vodka. For me, I like Costco vodka. It's cheap. You're making a cocktail. You're mixing it anyways. To each their own. So here you want a full 2 ounces vodka. And then last but not least, you're going to want to use a little bit of a sweetener. So I have some simple syrup here. I just use a bar spoon of simple syrup. Give it a little bit of sweetness. You give it a little stir, and then you're going to want to go to shaking. You want to make sure you really shake it up hard. So now you have your espresso martini made. You're going to want to get rid of that ice. Glass is nice and cold, and you're just going to want to strain it out. And look at that. Look at that nice color. Delicious. So you get a little bit of froth. I like to finish mine off with a little bit of cinnamon. So, cheers. Check it out. Ooh, it's full.